An alarming report is coming in from the Killa Bagma region, where political violence has once again reared its head. In a shocking late-night incident, unidentified miscreants reportedly targeted the residence of a Tipra Motha party member with an explosive device. Following a late-night explosion attack on a residence of a Tipra Motha party member, the party's candidate for the Killa Bagma constituency, Purna Chandra Jamatia, visited the affected family to assess the damage and provide support. In a scathing address from the scene, Jamatia directly linked the violence to the upcoming TTADC elections, alleging that political rivals are resorting to intimidation tactics out of desperation.
Ang Paicho Pajak Chini White Warriors, Milia Porta Molsam, Boninawa. Chini Kilam Sayo, Chungje Propon Chini Tipra Motha Party, Jakunu election Gana open Chungunu violence Naya. Peacefully Chung Jepropon, Jetu Chung Tancha, Tiprasa, or Nemo one the culture Chung Tobonani Musuya. Party juda hunai chung bulai tawai hingsa oma haina chung kispan asroi rowani musuya. Phiaba chung duirat lagator chung nu khapuilawo warango ni nawa khompuilungo kacha bomb handmade bomb sanajak perpan thriya ja hapan chini omono sikriwani bagoi oma hagi khaitheka chini orobu tini bahaine tini hor thangnai Duita data om hajora wa hai ne hai milia korta mo chuni nawo om hai ke sikri phai phika tini BJP khainai rona ang sanani musugo je borok Tipra Motha party no or jaga paya hi siwoi gondagiri khaiwoi sikriwoi chini white warriors no chini Tipra Motha party ni warriors no nawa hor kuthu go thangoi om hai ke Sikriwani naimani bondo khaidi bondo khaini nangnai ang koinai ni musugo joto sini civil society rok bahainu oma hai gundagiri khainai party bono ni rok bahainu board ni madhyame upojukto sikharwani ungthung orani tabuni prathi BJP ni prathi Omor Jamatia bo wanjini culture to bonani nayo chung Tipra sabai Tipra sa Kaha ke tonglayo ni takuk bai takuk chung luku kaisa chung charge kaisa tonglayo je propron tini BJP khaimanu CPM khaimanu Congress khaimanu Tipra Motha khaimanu kintu je pro 400 thangprang ke chung ekoi jaga 400 pre khainai je pro chung luku ni ham khani kok salainai aprang ke luku kaisa ne kok ma salainai phiaba BJP khaibu hunoi Tipra Motha party ni neta no daily Tabo board ni ganda was je atomko srishti khai tomani chini leaders no target khai sikri ni nai tomani omo bondo ma khainai tini ni ang media roni bisingte chini Omor Jamatia chini takho BJP ni candidate ang nono sawani musuguni nero 50 jona 60 jona daily horot thuroi oma hai gundagiri palai tomani bondo khaidi jodi Tipra Motha bu niro haike China hingkang ke Chaimanu phiaba chung ma hai violence na ya kintu self defense ni bagoi chung manai nai hai chi sungkhe hamla khaijak tonai sikrijak tonai daily chini white brono chini Tipra Motha leader rono ni target khainai sungkhe chini ma tonai om hai ya sung self defense ni bagoi mawa sonai wa sogani bagoi mojburi ta khaidi tini ni simi bondo khaidi ang appeal khaiu Omor Jamatia no teni ni sang pang tonai rono bondo khaidi sung peacefully chini ki lam chayo board ni madhyame board olaiwe juddo waje kaplai nai oma hai ke thanglai nai tini oma hai hingsa no asroi na woi board kaplai wani hi wan sok khangke omani ni board ngai karon nono lukurok saja khangke nono ronai ano chaja hangke ano board nai nungchini Tipra Motha party khainai rono jespan sikriwi jespan ni board magla khaichi ni favor of board magla Olta ni oro je tongnai violence no hajaya. BJP o tongnai taku kwbangma tongo je omahai hingsa no hajaya. Taku bai taku kahangke tongni musugo. Loko kaisa kahangke tongni musugo. 400 thangsa ke tongnai ni musugo. Thi ase partisan ja support khaima no hunai tongnai tongo. Kintu borok no porjonto no o hingsa ni lama o khunu kahangke bud mangla khaichi. Tini ang paithago mon appeal khaina ni musugo. Killa amsani joto Chini civil society no omahai gunda giri khainai party no kicha wancho baidi जों Tipra Motha party je propro no peaceful maintain khai thansani bisingtei जों गणतान्त्रिक जुद्धर लायनायनि बागै दिनै याप्रि सेलायजाक जों self defense ni बागै मावा सुनाय मिरो गोसोनो साहाय्य खायदि self defense जों मावा सुनाय हायछि
Jamatia stated that these tactics of terror will not work. The miscreants behind this act fail to realize that the electorate is politically conscious and resilient. They already know for whom they will cast their vote, and no amount of late-night violence will change the will of the people. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.